So what I'm going to do in this video is show you the key to skills development in life, and it's a rule for absolutely everything that you do. So with a guitar, they're an awesome instrument to learn on. I've been learning on a guitar for the past 90 days, and this is the process of skills development. So when you're first learning a guitar, the number one thing you've got to do is learn the chords. So these are like the chords of the Holy Grail. And then what you've got to do is you're basically learning the chords, learning how to hold your fingers with them, and basically memorizing that so you've got a flow. Now the next step is learning the strumming patterns, and this is how it goes. And once you learn the pattern, the strumming pattern, then you're able to just put it all together and then learn the rest of the song. And that's like the three-step part to skills development on a guitar. Basically, 1, getting familiar with the chords, 2, getting used to the strumming pattern, and then 3, putting absolutely everything together. There's more of the song, but that'll take too long with this video. And essentially it's the same with absolutely every skill that you develop. If you want to get good at something, you need to make sure you put it into action. I could watch heaps of YouTube videos on how to play the song, but I'm not actually going to get good at it until I practice every single day to build that memory in my mind, in my fingertips, and put it all into action. And essentially, when I'm spending the time learning this song, as I said, it was just bit by bit. For some days, I was just doing 5 minutes, and that was just simply, learning how to hold the chords. There was times or weeks where I just spend, the 5 to 10 minutes just learning the strumming pattern, and then eventually I developed all that memory, that skill on how to hold the chords, how to strum the pattern, and then putting it together. The next step I've got to actually learn with this song is singing the lyrics at the same time. So that's the next challenge. And what the point of this is anything that you want to do in life, if you want to get good at it, you got to stop watching the videos, stop reading the books, stop listening to other people, because you've got to learn for yourself. You've got to put yourself, your body physically through whatever it is that you want to learn, because you have limitations. You may not be naturally skilled in what it is that you want to do. So you need to learn how to do certain things. You need to learn the techniques, learn them one by one, get good at them, suck at them at the start and think, this doesn't sound at all or look at all what I'm going for. And what happens is you then begin to find out how you can improve as a person to get better at what it is that you want to do. If you want to get good at photography, pick up the camera and start taking shots. And then the next day, you spend that next 5 minutes trying to take a better shot than you did the day before. If you want to get good at guitar, you learn the chords, you learn the strumming patterns, you learn how to put it all together. You take your time every single day, just spending at least 5 minutes developing that skill. And if you want to get good at anything else in life, you need to be able to set that time aside and actually do it. We are creatures where we learn by doing. And this is an era where there's just so much information available out there right now that you don't need that much information. There's no secret hack to success. There's only a certain bit of information you need, which is the information to do what it is you want to do. And then the second step is to don't consume any more information. Just get out, action, and implement the information that you've got, which tells you exactly what you want to do, and make it happen. And that's what I know from my own experience on how to succeed in anything in life. The people that succeed are the people that stop consuming the information and actually implement and make it happen. So if you want to do the same, implement this information.